Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good German chocolate roll-up cake. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, you're going to want 4 ounces of bakery German sweet chocolate. And then you want 6 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to put this into the microwave and melt it. Okay, what you want to do is you want to stir this in, and the bowl will completely finish melting up the chocolate. Okay, after we get that, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar into there, and we're going to stir this very well. And then we're just going to put this to the side. Okay, we got 4 eggs here, and we're going to mix this with a mixer. Okay, now we're going to put 1/4 of flour, and we're also going to put in our chocolate. Put it all in here, make sure it gets... Okay, now we're just going to mix. Okay, now we're going to put the remaining flour in. Not all of it, just a little at a time. And we're going to put a little bit of water in, 2/3 cups in total. And we're just going to... Okay, you want to take this pan and you're going with parchment paper, and you're going to pour the batter in here. Okay, about like that. It's important that it gets all even. Okay, we want to make sure it just spreads out evenly as possible. Okay, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on this. This keeps it from sticking too much. Okay. Should be about enough right there. Okay, here we go. This is not the easiest thing to do. We're going to try it. Okay, I want a little more than 4 ounces of cream cheese, about 5 ounces, with a little bit of conventional sugar. Okay, next we're going to mix this together. Cream to this, not a whole lot, but a little bit. Like that, be good. And then we're just going to mix this together. Okay, once we get this part, we're going to put this all over it. Oh, this is smelling wonderful. You know, make sure this gets all into this real good like. Now, we're going to start folding this back up. Or if it starts cracking a little bit, that's normal. Okay. Okay, we're going to put a full fill of this chocolate in here. If I don't eat it, Like the whipped cream. We're gonna put it into here. Ain't a whole lot, but okay, and this is what we'll do right here. We'll start putting this on here. Okay, let's do a taste test on this. I got a small piece right here. We're going to do a taste test. Oh my God, that is so delicious. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss episode of my videos. Y'all have a blessed day. And it's chocolatey.